For much of recorded history, the Southwest has served as a vibrant crossroads for cultural exchange, and that still holds true today. Nestled in the heart of the Coconino National Forest, Sedona's main attraction is its stunning array of red sandstone mountains that glow at dusk and dawn. Sedona is famed for the spiritual connection people feel with the land here. Certain places exist throughout the area where people report to be overwhelmed with positive energy. They call a place like this a vortex. This lookout is Airport Mesa, one of the most popular vortexes. Over the years, Sedona has developed into a globally renowned center for spiritual practice and holistic wellness. Despite being a destination in its own right, Sedona has historically served for many as a gateway. From Arizona's southern deserts to its rugged North Country, most famous for its crowning glory, the Grand Canyon.